If you look under your desk right now and see a rat's nest of cords waiting to catch your feet, you are dealing with a daily handicap. That visual clutter acts as a constant, low-level drain on your focus every time you sit down to work, while the dangling cables create genuine physical tripping hazards. We are going to eliminate that chaos completely. By the end of these 7 steps, your power strip will be entirely hidden, your floor will be completely clear, and all your hardware will connect through a single, clean vertical drop. To build this setup, you need 5 specific tools: a structural mesh tray, reusable hook and loop strips, adhesive routing clips, a split-loom cable sleeve, and basic sticker labels. Notice that plastic zip ties are absent from that list. Zip ties are permanent, meaning any future hardware adjustment requires cutting hard plastic near live wires and risking damage to the cables. We're building a workspace designed to adapt, so adjustable Velcro is required. Step 1, pull everything out. Unplug every single piece of hardware from the wall and your devices, and lay the cables completely flat on your desk or floor. Step 2 is mapping. Before you route a single wire, label both the device end and the power strip end of every cable using your sticker labels. It feels tedious right now, but skipping this mapping phase guarantees a massive headache later. 6 months from now, when you need to swap out a single monitor, tracing 5 identical black cords blindly through a tight bundle wastes hours of your time. With everything mapped, we move to step 3, establishing the structural foundation by securing the cable tray to the underside of your desk. As this diagram shows, your mounting method depends entirely on your desk material. If you are a renter or you have a glass surface, use a C-clamp mount on the edge for a damage-free hold. If you have a solid wood desk, a direct screw mount provides maximum long-term stability. If you choose the screw mount, you must drill a pilot hole first. Driving threaded screws directly into solid wood or laminate without clearing material first will easily split your desktop. Once your tray is secure, place your heavy surge protector directly inside it. Do not attempt to stick the power strip directly to the desk using double-sided tape. Power adapters generate a constant output of heat, and over the course of a few weeks, that thermal load degrades the adhesive compounds until your hardware inevitably crashes to the floor. By lifting the power strip off the floor and anchoring it mechanically inside the tray, you eliminate the longest runs of individual cables. This single adjustment provides the largest structural upgrade of the entire process. Now that the central power hub is anchored, step 4 is routing your mapped cables back to their exact destinations. Group the cords strictly by destination, not by proximity. If 3 cables are traveling to your left monitor, bundle them together, wrapping a Velcro tie around the group every 6 inches to prevent the bundle from sagging. Keep these bundles tight against the underside of the desk by applying your adhesive clips along the routing path. You want to place these clips specifically at the 90-degree turn points, where gravity is most likely to pull the cables loose. If you use a static desk, you can finalize your routing here. But if you have a motorized standing desk, cables that look perfectly neat in the seated position will violently tear out of their ports the moment the desk rises. To solve this mechanical hazard, look at the highlighted U-shape in this diagram. This is the service loop, a deliberate section of slack engineered at the exact point where the cables transition off the desk frame and drop toward the floor. Step 5 is specific to motorized standing desks. Raise your desk to its absolute maximum physical height before determining your final routing path, so you can account for the required travel distance. The math here is exact. Calculate the total distance of your vertical drop at standing height and leave 15 to 20% extra length buffered in your service loop. If you measure and tighten this loop while the desk is at its lowest setting, your cables will act as an anchor point. The upward force of the desk motors will snap the HDMI and power ports directly out of your equipment. By engineering this exact length of slack correctly, you ensure your cable management functions as a mechanical safeguard for your hardware. It protects your workflow, entirely separate from the cosmetic benefits. Your hardware is safe, and the underside of the desk is fully organized. Now, step 6 is managing the final stretch of exposed cables, dropping from the suspended tray down to the wall outlet. Instead of leaving 4 or 5 distinct cords hanging loose, insert them into a single split-loom sleeve. This visually merges the individual wires into one uniform, professional-looking column. The split seam allows you to push individual cords into the tube, or pull them out laterally, anywhere along the run. You avoid the frustrating process of threading a plug end to end through a narrow, solid tube. Now for step 7, the final diagnostic check. Run your desk continuously from its lowest seating position all the way to its maximum standing height, keeping your eyes fixed strictly on the service loop. If nothing catches, pulls tight, or disconnects, your system is sound. You have proven the tension safety of the loop and completely cleared the floor. You now have a frictionless workstation. That persistent background stress of staring at a tangled web of wires has been permanently removed from your daily environment. Because every component of this setup relies on adjustable Velcro ties and split-seam sleeves, the system stays clean over the long term. Integrating a new accessory tomorrow takes 30 seconds of feeding a wire into the existing path, rather than hours of rebuilding from scratch. Take a look at your own workstation. If you are ready to get your hardware off the floor and execute this process, drop your specific desk model in the comments below, and we'll reply with the exact mounting hardware you need to get started. A flawless under-desk environment creates lasting technological reliability. Getting it right provides a structural upgrade that protects your equipment and ensures sustained focus.